Okay, for question 3, let's go to our calculator and put these numbers in. Remember your L1, your x's, okay? And then your L2 is going to be your y's. So let me switch over to my calculator here. Okay, there's my calculator, and we are going to put in our L1s. So we hit Stat, Edit. L1 is the x's, 3, 7, -2. For my L2s, those are my y's, 4, 6, -4. Okay, now we just need the linear regression equation, so all we need to do is go Stat, right arrow to calculate, and option 4. It doesn't tell me how to round it, so let's just go ahead with 3 decimals like we've been usually doing. So I'm going to go back to my screen to round it 3 decimals. The A and the B, that's my linear regression equation. Don't want the correlation coefficient, the R value, just A and B. Okay, so it's going to be Y equals 3 decimals, I said, for the MX plus B. So Y equals 1.131X minus 1.016. Okay. For question 4, it's going to be going back to my calculator and doing the same thing, but then we want the correlation coefficient, and then we want to do a prediction. I can't do a prediction until I get my equation. So L1, L2, let's go put it in, and then let's go turn on my correlation coefficient, okay? To my screen here. All right, so there we go. All right, so because I'm doing this, you can just shut off your calculator and turn it back on. I have to go clear out each one. When in doubt, you can always turn off your calculator and turn it back on. Okay, my L1s, looks like we're going by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. L2, 600, 450, 300, 200, 150, 125. Always do a quick check. Did you type in everything right? I think I have. Now before I go run it, I got to turn my correlation coefficient. Second, 0 to activate the catalog. And that's where I go down to the D's to find the diagnostic on. So let's go find it. Okay, so here is where diagnostic on is at. I have to hit her twice, once, twice. It is now on. Now we can go run our calculate linear regression. Hit enter, 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 calculate, one more time, enter. There's your A, there is your B. The directions say round to nearest whole number. So we're going to do that for part A, the slope and the y-intercept. There's my correlation coefficient, the R value, and then we will do a prediction. So here's whole number. Because it's -9, that 0.6 tells me to go ahead and round it to -10. And the B is at 641.6, 642. The R value for 3 decimals nearest thousandths is 0.963. Let me write that a little bit better. 963. Now for your prediction, as we do any of these predictions, we're going to use the equation that we just created. Y equals -10x plus 642. We plug in x is 70, and then we go to our calculator and type in -10 times 70 plus 642. And when we do that, I get -58. Okay, so I plug that in as my answer. Okay, it is going down. It's going down by a decent amount. That makes sense. Okay, so in that regard, -10 plus 642, that looks good. -10 times 70 plus 642, we are good to go.